This is the Hunter Road Force Elite, the world's fastest diagnostic wheel balancer. The Hunter Road Force Elite is a very exclusive and high-end wheel balancer which does more than just balance the wheels. It can help identify and minimize tire and wheel related pulling and vibration problems. Before we go deep down into what is radial force variation and lateral pull of the tires, I would like to talk about two problems that are very commonly experienced by people driving on the roads today. The first problem is when a driver comes and tells us that he has a vibration starting from the speed of, let's say, 90 kilometers per hour to 110 kilometers per hour. Below 90, the car is perfectly smooth, and above 110, the car is perfectly smooth. He only faces a vibration between two certain speeds. This problem is because of a problem called radial force variation. Radial force variation is the difference between the stiffness of the sidewall on two different points of the tire. The Hunter Road Force Elite can help us identify the radial force variation, whether it is within a certain tolerance limit, and if it is not, we can minimize the radial force variation by following a procedure called force matching. The second problem that very commonly occurs is tire related pulling problems. Many times, even after a vehicle is aligned perfectly, the car is pulling to one side. Typically, in those cases, the only way for us to sort it out is to do a trial and error and swap the tires from left to right and front to back to find the perfect setting for the set of 4 tires. The Hunter Road Force Elite can measure and identify the tire related pulling problems in a set of 4 tires, and it will guide us where we have to install each tire to minimize the tire related pulling problems. The Hunter Road Force Elite also comes with a vision based system to measure the entire tire and wheel assembly. It comes with a set of cameras and lasers using which we can get the entire measurement of the wheel and tire. The lasers and cameras measure the distance of the wheel from the measuring system, it measures the wheel width, it measures the wheel diameter, it measures the rim profile, it measures the rim runout, and the load roller also exerts a load of more than 650 kgs on a particular tire to simulate the real world rolling conditions. The beauty of Hunter's Road Force Elite is that it is a very easy to use wheel balancer. Even though it comes loaded with many high-end features, the user interface is a very simple and intuitive touchscreen. As you can see, any mechanic can be very comfortable using this particular wheel balancer. To get started, we just have to inflate the tire to the correct pressure. It comes with an inbuilt inflation system using which we can inflate the tire to the target pressure. Once we do that, all we have to do is close the hood, and now the lasers and cameras are measuring the wheel and tire dimensions, and then the roller exerts a load on the tire. And if you can zoom in, you can see very clearly that the sidewall of the tire is actually flexing. That is the real world simulation. The machine is now measuring all the different parameters and it gives us a report. As you can see in this particular case, it is telling us that we have a radial force variation of about 85 newtons. If we want to reduce this 85 newtons, we can follow a procedure called force matching, where all we have to do is to match the hardest point on the tire with the lowest spot on the rim runout. To do that, we just make a mark with a piece of chalk or with a marker on the tire, and then again on the wheel, and we take this tire and wheel assembly to a tire changer and we match mount both of those. Using that, we can see that this current assembly reduces from 85 newtons to 80 newtons. This particular feature resolves any road force variation related problems. The second major issue that this Road Force Elite solves is tire related pulling problems. Without the Hunter Road Force Elite, we have no choice but to do a trial and error and keep swapping the tires from the left side to the right side, from the rear axle to the front axle, and so on. But with the Hunter Road Force Elite, just at the click of a button, we get an idea of how the set of 4 tires will behave when they are actually on the car. As you can see in this particular case, by installing tire number 3 and 1 at the front of the vehicle, the car will pull 40 newtons to the right. If we were to install tire number 4 in the front, this changes. The behavior of the car now changes. It's now pulling 20 newton to the left. And we are able to just click a single button saying show least pull, and we are able to say that this is the least pull configuration possible with the set of 4 tires, and that means installing tire number 2 and 1 in the front of the vehicle. This entire process hardly takes a few seconds, whereas in the real world, if you were to do the trial and error combination, it can take you hours. These are just a couple of reasons why the Hunter Road Force Elite is considered the best wheel balancer in the world. It is no surprise that this equipment is approved by every single major manufacturer in the world. You talk about a luxury brand like Mercedes, Audi, BMW, Porsche, Jaguar, Land Rover, Lamborghini, Bentley, everyone have approved the Road Force wheel balancer. And the value of a Road Force balancer is not limited to just the luxury cars. Brands like Hyundai, Nissan, Kia, Honda, Toyota, all of them have also approved the Hunter Road Force balancer globally. The Hunter Road Force balancer is the only equipment that can give a single shot solution based on real world principles to resolve all tire and wheel related vibration and pulling problems. To get a Hunter Road Force wheel balancer and get the power of Road Force balancing to your shop today, please contact Madhus.